Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to do database part of paper February-March year 2022. So let's start. Task 3 database. You are now going to prepare some reports. Make sure all currency value display the same currency symbol and are set to 2 decimal places. Using a suitable database package, import the file m2221 makers.csv. Use this field name and data types. So we'll import the file makers.csv and set the maker underscore code as a primary key. So for that, first we'll create a database. Here I am using MS Access. So I will open that blank database. Locate your folder where you want to create. So we'll create here. I am giving the name 2022 task 3. Okay. Create. We have to import the makers file. So for that, go to external data, new data source from file, text file. Locate your file. Yes, this one. Next. First row contains the field name. Select this option. Next. Choose my own primary key. Maker underscore code should be the primary key. Next. Finish. Close. Now we'll check all data types are given text. So here all the data types are text. Next, import the file m2221 drives.csv as a new table in your database. Use these field names and data type. We'll check and set drive code field as a primary key. We'll import another file for that will do the same thing. External data, new data source from file, text file. Locate your file drives.csv and select this option. Make the data source into a new table in the current database. Select this option. Okay. Next. First row contains the field name. Next. Choose my own primary key. Drives underscore code is the primary key. Next. Finish. We'll set the data type later. Now just check. We'll open in design view and we'll check drive code, model, all are up to format. Are the text? Yes. Now capacity TB is the number and it is up to 3 decimal places. So capacity TB is a number, yes, and it is up to 3 decimal place. So we'll select here up to 3 decimal place. Okay, and should display the 3 decimal place. So we'll use the format as a standard. Then only it will show up to 3 decimal places. Okay, read is also a number. Read 0 decimal place. Okay, so it is 0 decimal place. Okay, write is also number 0 decimal place. Write is 0 number 0 decimal place. Okay, price is number or currency 2 decimal places. So price is currency. So we'll change the currency here. Okay, and up to 2 decimal place. Use 2 decimal places. Okay. Format will use the currency. Okay. Then stock is number 0 decimal place. It is number 0 decimal place. Okay. Now we'll save the data. Yes. Okay. Save the data. Take the screenshot evidence of the table structure showing the primary keys, field names, and data types. Place this in your evidence document. So we'll take the screenshot of this, that is showing primary key. For the screenshot, you can use Windows Shift S or simply print screen. Just a minute, it is not showing primary key now. Okay. So we'll take paste in the evidence document. We'll open our evidence document. So this is evidence 4. Just that. Yes, now we'll take the screenshot of this also. Okay. So by this we have done 13. Okay, come to the 14. Create one-to-many relationship between the maker code field in the makers table and the maker underscore code field in the drives table. So we'll create a relationship. For that we'll go to database tool, relationship, take both tables. So it is maker score field in the maker table and the maker's code in the drives field. So it is one-to-many relationship. Create. Take a screenshot evidence showing the fields and types of relationship and place this in evidence document. So we'll take the screenshot of this. For that you use Windows Shift S or simply print screen, evidence 5. Next, so we finish 14, come to 15. In the drives table, locate the record with drive underscore code DD88 and make the following amendments in that. So open, yes, we'll open the file, we'll search DD88 record. Okay, we'll change capacity TB is 2.00. It should be 2 and price is 450. So price is 450. Okay. Check your data entry and save the data. Just save our data. Okay. By that is finished. Now come to 16. In the drives table, locate and delete the record with the drive code 65. So we'll search DD65. It is here and we delete this record. For that, right click, select that row and right click and delete record. Yes. Save your data. We'll save. Control S. 16 is done. Come to the 17. Using field both from both tables, produce a tabular report that selects the record. So here this part first and second is our query. This is query. So we'll first create the query. For that we'll create query wizard. Okay. Take the fields from both tables. Okay. Next. Modify the query. Finish. Okay. So what are the criteria? Select the record where suitability is gaming or include the text creative. So it is gaming or it should have creative. So suitability criteria is gaming or it has the creative word. So before and after creative anything can come. For that we'll use the star. So star anything can come. Creative after creative anything can come. Read is greater than 2200. So read is greater than 2200. So it is greater than 2200. Now we'll save, run the query. Okay, so we'll first close the table. Okay. Yes, it is showing creative or gaming and read is greater than 2200. Okay. Contains a new field called retail which is calculated at runtime. This field will calculate the price increase by 20%. Format this field to display the currency with 2 decimal places. So we have to we'll open in the design view. We'll create a runtime field, retail, colon, what it should contain, the price. So for that, price, and price should be multiplied with 1.2. Okay, just check. We'll save our query and we'll run. Okay, retail. Now it should show the currency type. So for that, again we'll open in the design view. We'll go to the format. Format should be currency. Okay, decimal place up to 2 decimal place we want. Okay, now save and then run. Now price is showing up to 2 decimal place and the currency. Okay, so query has done. Now we have to make the report. Show only the field drives code. We have to create the report tabular format. So for that we'll go to create report wizard. We'll select the query and the fields, what all fields we need: drive code, model. So query is selected: drive code, model, maker country suitability, maker country suitability, form factor read capacity, form factor read capacity to be price and retail, price and retail. The field should be in this order and do not group the data. Okay, we don't have to group the data. So next sort the data into ascending order of the country. We'll not sort here, we'll sort later. Otherwise, if we sort here, our sequence will change. So for that, we'll do later. Tabular, and it should be in the landscape and fits in a single white page with no page number display, and the text should come on as a title. So next, I will use the report name drives for game or creative work. Finish. So we can see drive our sequence is same, but we have to sort the data by the country. So now we'll just adjust the fields because it is not visible. Close the print preview. Open the layout in the layout view. We have to little more adjust this. Okay. Okay. Now it is visible. We'll make it in the center. Okay. Make it bold also. Okay. Now we'll open in the design view. We have to sort according to the country. We'll select the country, import design, group and sort. We'll sort according to the country. Okay. We'll just save and we'll check in our layout view, report view. This sort, okay, yes, it is sorted, and we don't want any page number, so we'll delete with page number from here, and it has your name, center number and candidate number on the report. For that we'll use label. Name, center number and report number should be there. For that we'll use label. Okay, Tina BH111 and candidate number this. So we can see print preview. Our name is there. Okay, everything is visible. Okay, so we'll give the print. Make sure you have entered. Okay, so by this we finished 17 also. Come to the 18. Using fields from board table produce label for drives that select the record where suitability is home. So again this is our query. We'll again use the query that is having all these fields. So for that close the report. Yes, close the old query also. Close this. Okay, create query wizard. Okay, simple query. We need the field where suitability, format, price and capacity. Use this. So we'll use all the fields from the table, all the fields, and for the makers we need all the fields. Next, okay, query, this is 18, so we'll write 18. Modify the query design. Okay, so suitability is home or includes the text SOHO. So here suitability is the home or contains the SOHO. For that star SOHO, yes, star. Now format is SSD. So we'll check the format should be SSD. Okay, price is less than 130. Price is less than 130. So less than 130. Okay, capacity is 1 or more. So capacity TB is 1 or more. So greater than equal to 1. So we'll save the query, Control S, and we'll run. Okay, so suitability home or SOHO, our capacity is greater than or equal to 1 and price is less than 130. Okay, using this selection produce label with are sorted into ascending order of price, display 8 to the page and to the side by side, and portrait layout, for example 99. This, for that we'll go to create labels. Okay, We'll use 9967 2. Okay, next font we can use Arial's font size, we can increase to 11. Okay, next what all we need? Makers model, so we need makers. Okay, we'll check, we'll add one by one the different line. Model city, model city, country suitability, country suitability, connection format, connection format, and price. Okay, next we have to sort by price, so sort by price. Next, okay, modify, finish, and display the large capacity drive home use in a larger bold font on the top of each label. So for that we'll copy that. Okay, so we select all. Model, then country, we come here. Okay, connection, country, vehicle, model, city, country, suitability, connection will be here only, and format will come here. Okay, and price. Just make the arrangement. Okay, we'll increase the font of this. It should be 12 or 14 bold. Center. We'll just check, save. Now you can see in the print view. Okay, yes. Have your name, center number, and candidate number at the bottom of each label. So for that, we'll open in the design view. We'll add the label, name, center number, and the candidate number. Okay, we'll see in the print preview. Yes. Okay, save and print your label. Make sure you have entered name, center number, candidate number on your label. So we'll just give the print. Okay. So by this we finished our database part. Hope you understood. Just like, share and comment. Bye bye.